All right, now let's also quickly review medicine cups. We've seen these already numerous times, so I'm just going to go through this quickly. But those are your standard dosage cups that you would get typically with over-the-counter medication or with prescriptions as well. So we pour the solution into a cup. We place the cup on a level surface. So that's important to make sure it is on a level surface when you are checking that dosage and to check for accuracy. So usually I recommend placing on a level surface and then actually bending down to eye level with that dosage cup rather than holding it up where you may not be perfectly flat. So you want to be check for accuracy there as well. All right, now my computer's not going to move the slide. Let's see. All right, there we go. So here's just an example. And again, I know we've seen this a few times already. So maybe you're dispensing 20 milliliters every 4 to 6 hours as needed, and you would pour 20 milliliters into the cup. So this example has both milliliters and also teaspoons and tablespoons on the same dosage cup. Some may have metric units, some may not, some may have both. So it just depends on your dosage cup here. Here we have a combination. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay. So here again are a few more examples. So teaspoons and tablespoons are on the left side and milliliters are on the right side in these dosage cups here that you can see. So on the left, you have a dose that is 2 teaspoons, which is the same thing as 10 milliliters. Remember that dosage conversion of 1 teaspoon to 5 milliliters is really, really common. So you're seeing that here. Here you have 1 tablespoon is 15 milliliters, and that's because there are 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon, so you have that conversion. Here you have 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters, so doubling this dose here. And then here's an example where you have 1.5 teaspoons instead, so that would be 7.5 milliliters. And again, when you're reading it, you would get down to eye level, and the drawings may be a little bit hard. It's trying to be 3D, but you're looking at that dark line up front here, not the back line. So if you're doing the homework and things, again, you're looking at the darker line up front here as that 1 tablespoon marker instead. Okay, so here's a problem. The medical assistants were asked to dispense 7.5 milliliters of a liquid medication. Where did we make the mark on the medicine cup to indicate this dosage? Well, it's a little hard to see because the answer is already there, but you can see 5 and 10, and 7.5 is right halfway between 5 and 10. So that's why you have the marker here at that halfway mark between the two.